Welcome to Restoration Temple, and thank you so much for joining us here. Our mission is to connect the unconnected with Christ, and together pursue a full and restored life in Him. If this is your first time with us, we would like to extend a warm welcome. Please feel free to fill out your information and drop it in the offering basket. And again, thank you so much for joining us. Praise and worship has moved to 11:30 a.m., followed by morning worship in the main sanctuary. Sunday school is held at 10:15 a.m. in the Upper Narthex. Do you have a passion for music? Is God calling you to use one of your gifts? Our music ministry is held on Thursdays at 5:30 p.m. in the main sanctuary. We would like to welcome home our newest members here to Restoration Temple, Ida Bass, Arlene Gunn, and Devin Gardner. Welcome home. Join us for prayer and Bible study Thursdays at 6:30 p.m. Our God will change your life. Recovery meetings are held here Sundays at 7 p.m. Grab your popcorn. Our movie for March movie night will be God is Not Dead 2. Please feel free to bring your family out 5:30 p.m. on March 11th. And last but not least, please kindly take a moment to pray for our sick and shut-in. Like us on Facebook, friend us on Instagram, and follow us on Twitter. Restoration Temple, those are your morning announcements. God bless.